Welcome back to Pels Fundamentals, your source for concise news reports from the Faroe Islands.
You can find more videos like this on our YouTube channel.
The sources for this report are linked below.
Today we'll be covering a range of news items impacting the Faroe Islands.
Starting with international news and then moving to local news,
The Norwegian coalition government has split.
with the center party leaving.
In Greenland, the majority of the population has voted against leaving the Danish realm.
They want to stay.
The U.S. Trump administration
Oh boy.
has decided to halt funding for shelters in Gaza.
Back on home soil, the Nolsoy residents involved in preventing the Tørnin ship from docking back in 2019 have been acquitted of all charges.
Suni Isholm has been appointed as chairman,
Okay.
and Hans Anders Jacobsen as vice chairman of the Preparedness Committee for the Skálafjörður Municipal Fire Brigade,
Atlantic Airways has issued a statement.
reaffirming its commitment to upholding its agreement and refuting allegations of contract mismanagement. The Faroe Islands Postal Service
Has announced a restructuring of its operations,
which will involve discontinuing the delivery of unaddressed mail.
like advertising flyers.
In 2024, there was a notable increase in apprenticeship agreements.
Good.
There is an ongoing debate about the Faroe Islands' potential independence,
Dependence, huh?
with differing viewpoints on the island's ability to become an independent member of the World Trade Organization.
That wraps up the headlines for today.
It's time for the weather forecast.
Give it to me.
For Thursday evening, we're looking at a light breeze with partly cloudy to cloudy skies.
Okay.
It should be mostly dry. The wind's going to shift to the southeast and increase to a fresh breeze. Temperatures will be between -1 and 5 degrees Celsius. Friday, there will be a fresh breeze from the southeast, increasing in the evening, possibly reaching gale force. It should be a mostly dry day,
Good.
but turning overcast with rain overnight, temperatures will be milder, between 4 and 8 degrees Celsius.
That's pretty good.
Saturday.
Oh.
It's going to be quite windy with strong southerly winds and overcast skies with rain. Temperatures will be between 5 and 10 degrees Celsius.
All right, Sunday.
It starts with southwesterly winds and partly cloudy skies, clearing up a bit, but the wind's going to increase later in the day, becoming overcast with more rain. Temperatures will stay mild, between 5 and 10 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Now, for Monday, we can expect strong southeasterly to southerly winds, overcast skies, and persistent rain. The wind will decrease later in the day, but it'll still be overcast with a chance of rain or sleet showers. Temperatures will hold between 5 and 10 degrees Celsius, dropping overnight.
Last day, Tuesday.
Fresh to strong southeasterly winds, overcast skies, and sleet showers. Temperatures will be colder, between 1 and 6 degrees Celsius.
That's it for the weather.
That's the forecast.
Well, that about wraps it up for our Faroe Islands news report today. If you'd like to know more about any of the stories we've covered, you can find the sources linked below.
Be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more videos like this.
Thanks for tuning in to Pels Fundamentals.